So here's the problem. Sometimes a mundane chore like sweeping can hurt your back. If your back hurts from sweeping, this set is a lifesaver. The handles are super long so you don't ever have to bend over to pick up dirt again. As I was researching this broom and dustpan set, the one thing that everyone was obsessed over, you don't have to bend over to sweep. The handles are super long and you can adjust them so you can stand perfectly straight now. If your back ever hurt from cleaning, people are saying that this is a total game changer. Hey, you may even be able to reach under your couch without having to stoop down. The assembly is super easy, only takes a couple minutes, and you end up with an awesome broom and dustpan set. It is definitely lightweight and very easy to store. And of course, the broom and the dustpan snap together for convenience. Whatever broom and dustpan set you're using now, after you use this, you're probably going to toss the other ones in the trash. This gets everything. So to demonstrate how good this broom was, I tossed some white looking sand down in our laundry room, which has a brown floor. And you can see it does an excellent job of picking up all that dirt and trash that was on the floor. Right here I had some stuff in the bristles, so I used the convenient little teeth they give you on the pan to easily just swipe that right off the broom and into the pan. That's a great little convenience. I also measured the broom handle, and that's 50 1/4 inches. The top of the dustpan handle was around 38 inches. Is it worth it for the money? Well, heck yeah. If you have hard floors, this set is awesome for quick cleanups. I consider the Ivandar Broom and Dustpan Set a buy.